Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sav and today I will be DIYing this notebook cover. If you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Without further ado, let's grab our glue sticks, scissors, and let's get crafting. The supplies you'll need for this video include a ruler, crayons, blank white piece of paper to use for the cover of your notebook, paper to paint over so you don't mess up your surface, notebook, water, food coloring, I'm using green for this one, glue stick, scissors, and your pencil. The first step for your notebook cover is taking your cover paper and drawing a design on it. You can use any color crayon you'd like. I am choosing to use white. And anyway, for the pattern, you'll just want to make it however you want. This one is a grid pattern, and this one is a grid pattern, but it has different lines going through it. So for this design, I'm just going to draw some lines going from one end all the way down, and then just going across, and just going in between those, making a sort of spirally design. Hopefully that's how it's gonna turn out when I add the water to bring my design alive. Another important tip when tracing your design is to remember to press really hard down on the crayon when you're tracing your design. Well, anyway, this is my finished design. I just drew lines on it. Might be a little hard to see, but this is going to be my design. And hopefully it will look a lot better when we add on the food coloring. Next, you're going to want to cover your hard surface, or whatever surface you're using, with paper so you don't get it ruined. And now we're just going to apply a couple drops of food coloring to your water, and then we're just going to paint it on over the design. When you're done covering your design with water, you're going to let it dry completely. When you're done letting your cover dry, it should look something like this. It looks like pretty much nothing on camera I can see, but it is green in person. It just doesn't look that way on camera. The examples are a little bit better. This one is blue, this one is pink, but the green isn't that strong, but it's there. The design is there. Next, you are going to want to trace your design and put it on your notebook. What you're going to want to do is just turn over your cover and then line up how you want your notebook to lay, and then just trace it around and then cut it out. When you've cut out your cover, you can then glue it on. And there is your finished notebook. But it looks a little plain to me. We should decorate it. Thank you all for watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Please subscribe for more and leave a comment down below on what DIYs you think I should make next. Well, have a great rest of your day. Bye!